Ladies and gentlemen, what a show we've had. Get ready, everybody, for the next matchup we have. I guess we're going to see TBC Abraham versus Sinister X, a match that we've been waiting for a very long time.
4 years exactly.
4 years to make all
of talking's been on the line. 4 years of humiliation between each other, attacks after attacks. You know, they really just felt each other out through like tag matches, but never ever did they step in the ring.
Spitting on that. Right away! My God! Oh my God! Sinister X just. I'm right there. Oh, wait a minute! She caught it!
Bang, bang, go the coffin nails like a breath exhaled, been gone forever. It seems like just yesterday. How did I miss the red flags racing back? The days we left, we braved these bitter storms together. Been brought to his knees, he cried, on his feet, he died. What God would damn my heart, and what God drove us apart. What God could make it stop, let this end. 18 years pushed to the ledge, it's come to this, a weightless step on the way down singing bang, bang from the closet walls, the schoolhouse halls, the shotguns loaded. Push done asking ID, land from a nation under God. I feel its love like a cattle prod. I'm born free, but still they hate. I'm born mean, no, I can't change. It's always darkest just before the dawn. So stay awake with me. Let's prove them wrong. Make it stop. Let this end. 18 years pushed to the ledge. It's come to this, a weightless step on the way down singing the cold river washed him away, but how could we forget? The gathering saw candles, but not their tongues. Until a brand new song.
Age 15. Harrison Shane Brown. Age 15. Cody J. Parker.
Hey, I'm gonna keep it pretty brief. Yeah, I lost Sinister X. I haven't slept a little since, a little all over the place. I wrestled the almost perfect match. I'm telling you guys, I heard everybody talk about it. It's worth the wait. I hope everyone's glad with the match. Sinister X did it. You know, he got me at the last second. What can I say? The guy's quick. This is I want my rematch. No, I literally, thank you guys. I want my rematch. It's really,
People, it's time. It's time.
I gave you the match. We can do this again. One more time. After Warfare, we had a classic. I got called 5-star classics. We got standing ovations after the match, even though you won. A rematch. That has to happen.
I said TBC wants it.
I won.
The message is clear that you want your rematch. See, I have nothing to gain in this rematch. You see, I've beaten you already. Alright? And I showed you I could have beat you since the first time we came to TCW. I've always had it in me. See, you held me down for 4 years. So you want your title? You want a rematch with me? It's your 22. yeah, it's over. I've finished what I wanted to do for so long. I'll keep attacking you, I'll keep attacking you, keep attacking you. I'll attack you in the shower. I don't care how homo that stuff. I'll attack you when you're getting a Subway sandwich. It's like you're working out. I'll mess up your credit, whatever it takes. I want a rematch. I'll do whatever it takes for that. Everybody remembers you for cracking jokes. Play hot potato with a pedal. This is it. Take a seat. Demolition zone, I end you. Never before done in TCW. You guys ready for that? You guys gonna like this? How about it? 3 stages of hell match. You and me, Sinister X.
Yeah.
Do it.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
I won't even remember who you were. X, you can't go anymore. I'll push you again. Alright? I bring it all the time, each and every night. I come out here. Maybe, you know, they come in and assist, but each and every night I come out and I do what I have to do. And if I have to run through you one time, so something powerful first one. Let's have a singles match. Singles match? Yeah. Then we have your specialty. Submission match.
James X scratching and clawing his way to get to the ring. He's trying to get to the ring rope.
Then we finish it off with a false count anyway.
Yeah!
Oh my God! Oh no! Oh!
Ah!
Jake, I'm in demolition zone.
Shake his hand.
It looks like Santa